Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're going to be showing how you can put a follow button on your Facebook account. So you know how sometimes people would have like a follow button instead of a send a friend request on their profile? We're going to be learning how you can do that using your Facebook application. So the first thing that we're doing is we're heading over to the Facebook application, and then from the menu tab you want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Drop down the menu and then click on settings. From the audience and visibility, click on how people find and contact you. And now you can see who can send you friend requests. So tap on that and then change it to friends of friends. After that, you want to go to the audience and visibility again and then click on followers and public content. And then from this page, you want to make sure that who can follow me is set on public. And then you want to go back to that menu again and then click on posts. And then who can see your future posts, make sure to set it on public and then hit done. And that's it. If you go now to your profile and then click on your profile settings, press on view as, you can see how other people will be viewing your profile. And as you can see, my profile does not have a friend request on it, but rather a follow button. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful for you, let us know in the comment section and subscribe for future videos.